Hi everyone, welcome back to the Speaking Time. Today, we're going to learn some easy English phrases for shopping.
That's right. Shopping can be fun, but sometimes it's hard to ask for help. Don't worry, we've got you covered with phrases you can use in any store.
First, let's talk about finding what you need. When you go into a shop, you can ask the staff, "Excuse me, where is the bread?" Or, "Do you have this shirt in blue?"
And if someone asks, "Can I help you?" but you just want to look, you can say, "I'm just looking, thank you." It's polite and easy.
Next, let's talk about prices. You want to know how much things cost, right? You can ask, "How much is this?" Or, "Is there a sale today?"
If you're buying clothes, you might want to try them on first. Just ask, "Can I try this on?" They will show you the fitting room or changing room.
When you're ready to pay, go to the cashier. They will tell you the total.
You can say, "I want to pay with cash," or "Can I use my card?" And don't forget to ask, "Can I have a bag, please?"
Oh, and if you like these lessons, don't forget to follow and subscribe to the Speaking Time. We post daily to help you speak English naturally.
Now, what if you don't like what you bought? You can go back and say, "I want to return this, please," or "Can I change this for a bigger size?"
Okay, now it's your turn. Imagine you're in a shop. You want to buy a hat, but it's too expensive. What would you say?
Write your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
Keep practicing these phrases while you shop. You're doing a great job.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.